Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on a single variant total in Shopify. Using the single variant total condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the single variant total condition. So first, we'll search for single variant total in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination, select Essential 2 combination, or Elite 1 combination to continue. Since we will use variant titles under the single variant total condition, and this is an Elite feature, we will select Elite 1 combination in this case. Now, you'll see two product selection options. Any products. If you select any products, this rule will apply to all products in the cart. Selected products. If you select selected products, the rule will trigger only when products matching the selected conditions are in the cart. After selecting this option, you can filter products by product titles, variant titles, SKU, vendor, or collections. Now we select selected products, and here we choose variant titles and enter variant titles beige. When the wooden spin beige variant is in the cart, this rule will be applied. Block if less than. The rule will trigger when the single variant total is lower than the entered amount. Block if more than. The rule will trigger when the single variant total is higher than the entered amount. For this example, we choose block if less than and set $200. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, minimum beige variant order amount is $200. After that, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the order will be blocked when the beige variant is in the cart, and its total is less than $200. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the customer adds multiple variants of wooden spin, but the beige variant is in the cart, and its total is less than $200. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's add some beige variant and make more than $200 in the cart and check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!